In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Cash App without verification. Now, you guys could actually do this, however, there are a few limitations. There are strict limits to how much money you can send. So, without verifying your account, you can send up to $250 per week and receive up to $1,000 per month. So, you would basically go ahead and install Cash App like you normally would, make a Cash App account. Then what you guys would need to do is you need to select on how much money you want to send. Then you want to go ahead and press on pay over here, and then you would go ahead and enter in the name of your recipient. So remember, if you exceed the $250 weekly sending limit or $1,000 monthly limit, then it is not going to work anymore. So there are strict limitations. And another thing that I should mention is that you cannot withdraw funds to a bank account without verification. So you can only go ahead and send money. You can't transfer like your cash balance over to your bank account without verification. So again, just keep that in mind. But guys, if you need higher limits, then there is no other choice. You must verify your account with a social security number and other details. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.